For over 70 years, Methode Electronics has continuously been at the core of innovation and technology advancements, serving diverse industries including automotive and power. Well known for providing high current interconnects, thermal management capabilities, flexible power distribution devices, and power electronics, we leverage our core capabilities to provide OEMs with cost-effective power solutions to automotive requirements. Automotive OEMs are undergoing a rapid transformation from the traditional combustion engine to full electrification of the vehicle's powertrain. We are providing our customers with the right technology portfolio and experience to meet the strict automotive standards and power distribution challenges through single campuses, providing the full range of expertise. We deliver superior quality through a global network of award-winning lean manufacturing sites that adhere to the most rigorous international automotive quality standards. With a presence in 14 countries, we believe that putting our resources close to our customers is the most effective way to serve as a valuable partner. We deliver optimized, high-quality, proven, engineered solutions. We are where automotive meets power, where fabrication meets automation. We innovate our static power solutions into mobile energy connectivity systems.
Whether a simple laminated bus bar, an overmolded flexible bus bar, or a control module, our engineering team innovates, validates, and tests to guarantee system-critical best-in-class solutions.
Our patented technologies in the automotive and power industries are proven to provide robust solutions that meet the distinctive requirements of the electric vehicle of today and tomorrow.
Methode, integrated automotive and power solutions.